In September of 2020, a ransomware attack hit an election technology vendor, and that has many cybersecurity experts worried about the security of the upcoming elections. Tyler Technologies, which sells election software, announced it was hit with a cyber attack that it targeted the company's internal telephone and information technology systems with ransomware. We can expect these attacks to proliferate, which is why IT and security teams supporting the voting infrastructure must be constantly vigilant when monitoring for potential cyber attacks. GD Cohen, CEO of cybersecurity vendor Skybox Security, told the Washington Examiner. Cohen also urged election-related organizations to go back to the basics by reviewing security programs to identify significant risks and implementing an immediate mitigation plan. While investing in larger systems and new technologies will help better fortify our voting infrastructure longer term, 6 weeks isn't enough lead time with so much hanging in the balance, Cohen added. It is not yet known if the attack on Tyler Technologies was part of the campaign being carried out by Russia, China, and Iran to influence the US election. Yet some security experts say that the attack fits in what we can call a larger mission from America's enemies to create distrust about the US election system. Political campaigns are easy targets with big rewards, according to Steve Chercherin, Chief Information Security Officer at XY Pro Technology. We saw during the 2016 election how an improperly secured home email server can do insurmountable damage to a campaign. It potentially influenced our entire election, thus influencing how policies are set, what priorities are focused on, and how relationships between countries are handled. Emote makes an election season comeback. Also making a comeback for the election season were Emote ransomware campaigns with all the usual behavior similar to past Emote campaigns, like large volumes of messages and worldwide distribution, but with an election-themed twist. On October 1st, 2020, thousands of Emote email messages with the subject "Team Blue Take Action" were sent to hundreds of organizations in the US. The message's body was taken directly from the Democratic National Committee's website, with the addition of a line asking that the recipient open the attached document, which initiates delivery of the payload. This shift to using political lures comes as America is speeding towards the November election. Like earlier use of COVID-19 or Greta Thunberg lure themes, TA542, the entity behind Emote, is attempting to reach as many people as possible by capitalizing on current events. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.